Today we are making Snickerdoodles, a simple, nostalgic cookie that's soft, chewy, and rolled in cinnamon sugar. This version uses less sugar than traditional recipes, so it's not overly sweet, but still has all the flavor you love. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. The cream of tartar is what gives Snickerdoodles a classic tangy flavor and chewy texture. In another bowl, beat softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Normally, Snickerdoodles use almost twice this much sugar. But I find this reduced sugar version is tastier and more balanced. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Then add vanilla extract. Mix just until smooth. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and stir until the dough just comes together. If your dough feels too soft at this stage, refrigerate for about 45 minutes or pop it into the freezer for 10 minutes before shaping. Scoop about a tablespoon of dough, roll it into a ball, and coat it well in a mix of cinnamon and sugar. This gives Snickerdoodles a warm, spiced crust. Arrange the cookies on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving room to spread. Bake in a preheated oven until the edges are just set and the centers are still soft. They'll continue to firm up as they cool. Let the cookies rest on a baking sheet for a couple of minutes before moving them to a wire rack. This helps them keep their shape and stay chewy inside. And that's it. Reduced sugar Snickerdoodles. A little less sweet than the classic version, but still soft, chewy, and full of cinnamon flavor.